एटीके मोहन बागाना कडल्यान हाचे आदी 3 फावटी हारून आनी 1 मॅच ड्रॉ जाल्या उपरांत FC गोवान आपल्या होम ग्राउंडार मोहन बागानाचो 3 गोलांनी धुंवर काडलो. FC गोवान मोहन बागानाचेर 3-0 अशे दणदणीत जैत मेळोवन ISLांत 3ऱ्या नंबराचेर मजल मारल्या.
फर्स्ट हाफांत बरीच एक्शन पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी, पूण गोलांचो पावस म्हणटा तो शेवटाक जालो. पयल्या 7 मिनटांक FC गोवान 4 गोल टार्गेट मारिल्ले, पूण मोहन बागानाच्या विशाल कैतान ते सोंपेपणान आडायले. पूण खेळ फुडें मजेशीर जाल्या उपरांत कांय येलो कार्डां मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत अभिनाबा डोहोलिंग, मोहम्मद फारेस आर्नावट आनी नोहा वायल सादोव हांणी दरेकी 3 गोल मारले आनी विरोधी पंगडाक एकय गोल करपाची संद दिवंक ना.
Happy to play again at home. And knowing that it's going to be a very important game for us because after winning today we have done nothing. We have to be humble. Today was a great performance. Let us enjoy a little bit of today, but from tomorrow we will start thinking in Bengaluru to get 3 new points. But today it's time to enjoy, to celebrate and to go home happy.
I think from the start of the game, I think we followed the instruction of the coach. We stick to the basic, and I think we did well as a team. From the first minute till the 90th minute, we fight till the end, and that's how we get the result.
It was amazing. It was a good reaction from our last game. Obviously, that loss hurt us. So I love how our team reacted. It shows character of our team.
Today we saw all the fans, all the people that we defend, but not in our pitch. We recover the ball very fast. All the people put focus in the vigilance, and I think this is the most important for them keep the ball. And I think FC Goa keep improving game by game.
गोवा 365 खातीर फातोर्डेच्यान हिरो महाली.